Hello everyone, and welcome back. Right, today we're going to be making seasoned potato wedges. Right, this is very simple indeed. All you're going to want is potatoes, of course, a bowl to mix up with a little bit of oil and the seasoning, some vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever you fancy, some salt, pepper, and today I'm going to be using a bit of garlic powder. You could use curry powder or anything you want really, it's all to taste. So right, the first thing we're going to do is make these potatoes into wedges. Now I've got 2 potatoes for 2 people, that's the way I'm going to work it out. So what I'll do now is try and cut these into wedges and see how we get on. It's the easiest thing to do. The first thing I'm going to do is cut them in half. And I think the thing to do is if I just do it crossways. Again, you can cut them in half again, but they're pretty much the wedge shape. Okay, once you've done them, you can just chuck them in your bowl to get them out of the way. There are all your wedges. Now what I think I'm going to do is there's quite a lot there, so I might bag some of those up and freeze them, because I'll probably do 2, maybe there's quite a lot. Okay, right, so I've halved those out and I'll put some in a freezer bag and we can have those another day. So what I'm going to do now is add, I know air frying says you shouldn't eat the oil, but for these to make them crispy and just give them a bit of texture, I'll just put in, this is a dessert spoon, that's all you want, just drizzle it over. Just a dessert spoon of oil. That is it. No more than that. That's all you need. Then some salt. A bit of pepper. And just for taste, a bit of garlic powder. But as I say, curry powder or anything you want really. And then just give that a bit of a mix. So I think that's enough. Hopefully it's got quite an even coating. And now we'll get the air fryer ready. Okay, so our seasoned wedges, let's get them into the air fryer. Pop them into there, like that. Okay, now that comes up, that's 200. If I take that down to say 190, take 10 degrees off it, and then I'm going to go 20 minutes, it's preset 20 minutes, but what I'll do, I'll come back at 10, give them a bit of a shake, and then see how we're getting on. So there we go. So no preheat, I haven't preheated this at all, they've just gone straight in at 190 degrees for 20 minutes, and then I'll give them a bit of a shake halfway through. Okay, see you in 10. Okay, let's have a look at these, shall we? See how they're doing. Wow. Look at them. Okay, now bearing in mind, that is only 10 minutes, no preheating, at 190. So I think another 10 minutes, if that should be it. Lovely and crispy. There you have it. Potato wedges. Done to perfection. So there you go.